Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an Instagram feed to Framer. In this walkthrough, we'll use Framer's built-in embed element to display content from Instagram right inside your design. By the end, you'll have a working feed or post preview in place, and you'll know how to adjust it so it looks great on your page. Start by opening your project in the Framer editor. With your canvas visible, look toward the top of the interface and click Insert to open the Components panel. In the panel that appears, hover your mouse over the Utility category. This reveals a set of helpful building blocks, including the one we need. Find the embed element, then drag and drop it onto your canvas. Place it where you want the Instagram content to appear and resize the frame so it roughly matches the space you plan to use. You can fine-tune its dimensions later. Next, switch over to Instagram in your browser and open the feed or post you want to show. Click the Share button for that content, then choose Copy to grab the link. Make sure the content you're sharing is public. Private or restricted posts won't render inside an embed. If you already have official embed HTML from Instagram, you can use that too. Return to Framer and double-click the embed frame to open its settings. You'll see an option to input either a URL or HTML. If you copied a link, choose the URL option and paste it into the field. Give it a moment to load. A live preview should appear in the frame. If you copied embed HTML instead, switch to the HTML option and paste the full code there. Some scripts only render fully in preview or on the published site, so don't worry if the editor view looks simplified. Once the preview appears, adjust the size of the embed frame so the content fits neatly without clipping. Align it with surrounding elements, and check spacing on desktop and mobile breakpoints. If the content feels narrow or too tall, nudge the handles or set consistent width values in the right-hand panel so your layout remains responsive. Finally, scan the result to make sure interactions are working and the content is readable. If you don't see anything, verify the link is correct and public, then try reloading the preview. That's it. Your Instagram content is now embedded in Framer and ready for your audience.